So over here, you can see that I got these calendar events right here. And if I were to go around and then double click on this particular calendar event right here, I can edit all occurrence right here because this is a recurring event. You can see that I have a category assigned onto this particular event right here. I can also go ahead and assign multiple categories right here. But while assigning categories, there might not be a category that you actually want to assign to it. In that case, you can go around on to add a new category section right here, and then you can simply go around and say let's say for example TutorTube event right here. Let's say for example, go ahead and type it, and then it gets added as a category. So I'm going to go around and say TutorTube video right here, for example, then it gets added on as a category right here, just like this, and they will be assigned categories accordingly. So you can go around and save it, and the category will be updated, and you can see it by the strip right here, denoting that it is updated. And that is how you can go ahead and add in custom categories for calendar events inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.